Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like This. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be doing a bill exchange for a portion of my second paycheck of December. Hello everyone, how have you been? I hope you all had a great holiday and now it's the new week. I haven't had a chance to upload a cash stuffing video yet, so this is the portion of my second paycheck of December. But before I do a cash stuffing video, I do want to do a bill exchange. So because of the holidays, I didn't have a chance to go to the bank and get the denominations that I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bill exchange. I did go to the ATM machine and I took out $570. So I'll go ahead and count out the cash for you. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, and 570. So basically what I want to do is break down some of these $50 bills, but I do want to keep some of them. So let's see. Maybe I can break down to some $100 bills, but we'll see. So let's see, for bills, I pretty much want to keep that. Let's see, golf, I don't think we have enough there. Beauty, I think we have a bunch of 20s. So let's see, maybe I can do 120s for $250. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'll do 250s. So we have 150, 170, 190. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and put these 20s here. Travel expenses, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I think I want to keep travel expenses with this amount. Las Vegas, let's see. So I think I can do 2 20s and a 10 for 50. So, all right. So if that's all I can do for my short-term binder, let's look into my long-term binder. Guys, I can't believe it's almost the end of the year. This is basically the last week of December. Okay, so emergency. Okay, looks like there's 2 $10 bills, so I can exchange that for 20. Looks like I can do a $100 bill for 250s. Okay. Let's see how many 50s I have. 2. So I think that should be okay. Let's see, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82. So 240 and 20s. Just trying to think if I can break that down even further. Let's see. So 45. Future looks like it's a bunch of 20s. So let's see, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I can do 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and do two 20s. Okay, so future will just have a bunch of 20s. I think that's it for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and count out the cash. So hopefully we have $570. So we have 1, 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So $570. Okay, so that's it for my bill exchange. That was a really quick video. I just wanted to show you when I'm short on time. This is what I do for a bill exchange when I don't have time to go to the bank and get the denominations that I want. So this will be in prep for our next cash stuffing video, so stay tuned. But thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.